Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we won't be doing anything ordinary. Today, other than about food being chess, we are going to be doing Rubik's Cube today. So I'll teach you how to solve one and then I'll give you my Rubik's Cube speed or thought, so stay till the end of this video. And also remember, I'm also planning of doing card magic trick video tutorial I'll teach you, but that's only I'll do one of my magic tricks out of seven. I mean eight. If only you can get 120 subscribers. So please, guys, please give me a good how you are YouTube, man. I really need the subscribers so badly. So anyway, without any further ado, let's start the Rubik's Cube. Okay, first, what you need to know about Rubik's Cube is that it's very unique. Like it just moves like that. So there's a lot of cubes. 4x4, 2x2, 5x5, and much more. There will be a 3x3, okay? So you need to remember that yellow bottom is the other opposite, yellow, white, and then we have blue, green, orange, and red. Anyways, so first I know that your cube is jumbled, so let's give my one a little jumble here. Okay, that little jumble there, idea. Okay. So what you want to do now is you want to do the white cross at the top first. So remove that one, and then you see white, and then you see this green there. Just turn that one and make sure that bottom green. Okay. Then you see the bottom one here, blue. Okay, white. So apparently this is the bottom, and blue's here. Bottom here is blue. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to like tops here, and then you're just going to turn. Okay, your blue's here. You just turn, push down, turn, push up, and then your green should just be there and your blue should just be okay there. Okay. Then do the same for the rest. Yeah, but if the if the color is like here again red right here at the top. So yeah, you know what to do. I taught you just now. More turn here up, down, same, and should be all right. So you got one more here missing. And then one orange. Do the same. But I know you guys could say, what happened if your one was like this? If it's like this at the white here, but like this, all you need to do is just turn 160 degrees, not 180 degrees. Yeah, so I think 180, 180 degrees. So just on bottom, yeah, and 2 times 2. Either you can do 1, 2 to the left, or you can do 1, 2 on the right. Either way it works. So when you done the white cross, and you must check that the red here of the white cross is correct. Blue, orange, and green. Then you're completed. Now do the top here. So then you have to find. So you have this one you have orange and green. So to find at the top here, that's also white lah. One has orange, green, and white. So then you put it on top of where you want, and then you have to do a four move. Okay, what's the four move? Up, and then you click here. Okay, you just use this one. So basically it's up, okay, up. Use your index, press to the left, pull down, and use your other index, push it back. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, now 3, 2, okay, this one, 3, 2, 1, go. Sometimes your first one will not be, just keep doing it until you get it there. Okay, then we also do the same with the rest. Okay, again, this one, the first time didn't work, so just keep doing it until you get it, and yeah, okay. So now I leave it for you guys to do it. If the positions like this, just do it. It still will work. Okay, then just do it for the last one. Done. You have layer one, okay? The whole layer solved. Okay, don't put it against colors. Layer two, okay, this one. Layer two, the middle one that I'm spinning. Yeah, that one. This is layer 2. Okay, anyways, so yeah, we have to solve layer 2 now. So what you want to do is you want to see this red and blue. So you have to go here and find. Okay, if there's no red and blue, there must be somewhere here red and blue. Anyways, so you can go green and orange. Okay, green and orange. So you turn it to the green on the top. Here, sorry, green at the top here, and then you will see it's orange here. So you just turn it the opposite. And then you done that, go on the right side because you turned it here, so we do here. If you turn it here the opposite, then you do here. Okay, so let's do it. Four move. After you done the four move on the right, then all you need to do is now on the green. Okay, let me show you how it looks like for me. On the green here, I done the four move. Now, instead of doing it one more time with your right hand, we go here. Use your left hand. Same concept. Up, left in, down, and up. And yeah, it should just be all right. Okay, just keep doing this. And if you have like an error, like the red and for example red and blue share, and there's all the cars yellow, just do that, and you don't need to look at anything. I'll show you what I mean by that. Um, so yeah, just do what I did just now. And if you didn't see what I did just now, you can just replay it. Yeah, anyways, okay. So in this position, all of the thing here, this layer, you can see it's all we all got yellows on it. So we have green and red and here. So we need to take it out. What you need to do is just do the same. Almost done. This one's gone out, red and yellow. Then just spin it to the top of the blue and red, and then just move your way through. And then also do it for the last one. Okay, not too hard here. Okay. That's the second layer completed. Okay. But if you didn't quite get it, you can replay. And remember, take your time. It's all about getting how to do it. Okay. Next one here is the third layer, the last but not least here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get. So we have the yellow cross done already. So good. But if your yellow cross isn't done, let me show you how. Okay. You want to do this. Yellow cross not done. Just do this. Then do four moves down. Okay. And it's still not done. Then just keep doing it. Just keep continuing. And then when you're in this trio position, and then this is the place where you do your four move on this little split and the level, just turn it up and it should be all okay. Okay, so now you that cross. Now we're gonna try to match as many colors. Okay. So you match the orange here, you see? Orange, and you have matched the red. So what you wanna do now is just do these simple moves. Okay, let me show you. Up, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Okay, memorize that move. Okay, again, let's do it again. In fact, you just need to do that one time, and then just spin it and try to get it. If you still don't get it, it will not work. Then these two will be correct. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to have one of them here, one of them at the back. Okay, so one that you have, so one that you have. So these two are the ones that I don't have. So you want to put the one that you don't have near to your body and one on the left. Then do that same move again. Remember what was it? Okay, let's go. Up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down. And then you should just have all of them matching. Now I do the last one corners. So we have to see, right? So I know. So we have this ones of Y. We got a blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow. So we want to start from this one. That's soft. Okay, it comes as soft. Then you have the orange here. That's what you want to do is just want to go left, up, left. Repeat that one. You want to be careful and listen properly because you could mess this one up and your whole cube is gone. You have to restart again. What happened when I just learned this one? So yeah, hope you don't be as dumb as me. Anyway, I'll do very slow. Up, okay, up, left, up. I think I forgot. Wait. Left, up, right, up, right, left down, left, right down, and then done. You should just have the corners. Just keep doing it until you check all the corners are correct, like this one. Green, yellow, orange has this corner correct, correct. And this one's already done. And this one is correct. So when you're done with that now, you just want to go to the bottom now, last part, four moves your way through again. Just do it until it becomes like this correctly. Don't mind the top, don't mind. Then just go to the next one. Then let's go to the next one. And you will just solve the cube just like that. It's a very quick one. So yeah, my record is apparently 1 minute 49 seconds. Yeah, 49 or 51. I can't quite exactly remember. So yeah, anyway, you know what? Let's shuffle the cubes up, and I will challenge you guys. So when I say start, both of us start, and if you can beat me, then congratulations. But if you guys like a speed cubers and you have different ways, maybe I'll teach that one day when I master that way. So anyway, I can VS you. So okay, look at your cube first and how you shuffle it. Okay, you ready? Pick one, go. Let's see who can finish the cube faster. So good luck, you guys. Don't mind if you cannot beat me for now because you guys are just learning all about the algorithm, all about making sure you don't do wrong moves and the white course completed. Okay, so yeah, good luck for you guys that are trying to attempt to beat me. I won't let you win that easily. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, got the algorithm there. I'm done with the first layer already. The time, guys. Remember, if you want to know one piece of advice how to be our friends when you're trying to beat, you need to stay cool and do not panic. Then you will do better. Trust me. I know it sounds stupid that you're like this here, slow and steady, but if you haven't heard of this, this idiom, slow and steady wins the race. That means you gotta stay calm and just focus on it. Okay. Anyway, back to the race. Remember, that's why you gotta be slow and steady. That's how I managed to get a good record. It's all about the slow and steady. Not about rushing, it's just about slow and steady wins the race. But if you're better, then you can increase your speed by just a bit, not fast. Or you might make mistakes at that last step that I said just now. But I do make mistakes at that step also sometimes. And if that one doesn't work, then you want to just have that straight line. Just keep doing to get the straight line and then just go on the other side of the straight and back of one and then just do the four move again. And trust me, just do it one time and should work or a few times. Anyway, back to the race. Okay, I messed it up. This is where you don't want to mess things up. Yeah, got it back. Thank God it's close one. No, I didn't get it. Forget that, no. Yeah, I gotta be slow and steady. Woman one slow and steady wins the race. Quack. What am I doing? Think you guys win already. Congratulations. Think for you guys. Think you win. But good luck on beating my record. That's 1 minute 50 seconds. 49. Yeah, just say 49. Better for you guys to go faster than me. So 49 seconds. Good luck on that. Beating my record. 1 minute 49 seconds. And if you can beat, I'll give you maybe that's good. Okay, so wait a minute, guys. I am just moving the cubes very fast here. And yeah, I think got it already. I just finished it. And yeah, and I'm done already. One second, and I'm done. All right. So yeah, that's how you solve a cube very fast. And yeah, good luck on beating my record on 1 minute 50 seconds. If you can, congratulations. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, and I'm gonna teach one magic, final magic trick. Okay, what you wanna watch this magic trick? Okay, I'm gonna shuffle. Not exactly shuffle, I know it, but I'm gonna put it at the back. Yeah, I cannot see. You can also can't see my cube. And your cube should just be soft like that. How? Okay, very simple. All you need to do, use a four move. Left or right, doesn't care. It doesn't matter. So you just want to do it one time, the four move. Then put it, and then you just need to do one, two, three, one time, one time. There's a third time, fourth time, and the fifth time should be solved. So you can basically do it left or right. You can basically do it 5 times. After the fourth time, you can say show like this, and then you just put your head, and then you can just show your audience that you just solved the cube. Very simple magic trick. Remember the formulas. Okay, up, left, index finger press. Okay, up, left, in the index finger, down, and left. Then just go when you're past your just speed cubing, it should just go just like this. Most one steady, do not break your cube. And yeah, you know, solve it like that. Anyway, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and selamat Hari Raya to you guys as Malay again, as Hari Raya is tomorrow. So have a good day, and yeah, for those who are fasting just like me, hopefully you enjoy this video, and remember, selamat Hari Raya, maaf Zahir dan batin, and until next time guys, bye bye. Remember, 150 subscribers, 120 equals one magic trick. So yeah guys, I really need the subscriber. Please get us the subscriber. Hit the fat like button and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you every time you when you wake up go dong. Okay, anyways, okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video.